Welcome to the mathematics in my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting integral from 0 to 1 cosine of p times natural log of x times sine of q times natural log of x over natural log of x dx. Well, how to begin? Okay, first I'm going to take the numerator. So here we have cosine of p times natural log of x times sine of q times natural log of x. Okay, now using trigonometric formula we can write this is equal to 1/2 times sine of sum of this angle, so p plus q natural log of x, here bracket, then minus sine of here subtract of these two angles, so we can write p minus q times natural log of x. Okay, then we can break our integral into two different integrals. This is equal to I, so we can write now I is equal to integral from 0 to 1, here 1/2, so 1/2 integral from 0 to 1 sine of p plus q times natural log of x over here natural log of x dx, then minus again 1/2, so 1/2 integral from 0 to 1 now sine of p minus q times natural log of x over natural log of x dx. Okay, then we know the Taylor series of sine of x. Sine of x we can write this is equal to x minus x raised to the 3 power over 3 factorial plus x to the 5 over 5 factorial minus x to the 7 over 7 factorial plus so on. Okay, now I am going to use this series for this sine and this sine, so we can write now I is equal to 1/2 integral from 0 to 1, here natural log of x, so I am going to write here 1 over natural log of x, and then instead of sine of p plus q natural log of x we can use the series, so we can write here p plus q natural log of x minus p plus q raised to the 3 power natural log of x raised to the 3 power over 3 factorial plus p plus q raised to the 5th power over 5 factorial, also natural log of x raised to the 5th power, then minus p plus q raised to the 7th power times natural log of x raised to the 7th power over 7 factorial plus so on, and here dx. And for this integral also we can use this series, so we can write minus 1/2 integral from 0 to 1 now p minus q times natural log of x, so here 1 over natural log of x, now p minus q times natural log of x minus p minus q raised to the 3 power times natural log of x raised to the 3 power over 3 factorial plus p minus q raised to the 5th power natural log of x raised to the 5th power over 5 factorial minus p plus q raised to the here p minus q 7th power natural log of x raised to the 7th power over 7 factorial plus so on, and here dx. Okay, then we can simplify this because we can multiply by natural log of x. So we can write now I is equal to 1/2 integral from 0 to 1. Here this natural log of x get cancelled, so here we have only p plus q. Then here p plus q raised to the 3 power. This natural log of x get cancelled, so here natural log of x square over 3 factorial, then plus p plus q raised to the 5th power. Here natural log of x, natural log of x to the we know 4th power over 5 factorial, minus p plus q raised to the 7th power, natural log of x to the we know here 6th power over 7 factorial plus so on, and here dx. Okay, I'm going to put the bracket, and then minus 1/2, so minus 1/2 integral from 0 to 1. Here also natural log of x get cancelled, and here we have only p minus q, then minus p minus q raised to the 3 power natural log of x square over 3 factorial plus here p minus q raised to the 5th power natural log of here now natural log of x to the 4th power over 5 factorial minus p minus q raised to the 7th power natural log of x raised to the 6th power over 7 factorial plus so on, and then here dx. Okay, then here if you look at carefully, we know here p plus q raised to the 3 power over 3 factorial is constant, so we can integrate, we should integrate only natural log of x square. Here in this term we should integrate natural log of x raised to the 4th power, natural log of x raised to the 6th power. Okay, same as, so we know the general case, natural log of integration of integral of natural log of x raised to the 2 times n dx. We know in previous videos we discussed about this integral, and we know the answer is gamma of 2n plus 1, and we know this is also equal to 2n factorial. Okay, then we can write now I is equal to here 1/2 and here p plus q p plus q 0 to 1 p plus q dx. So dx, we know the integration of dx, we know only x, from 0 to 1 we know 1, so we will have only p plus q. So here p plus q minus, then here we have p plus q raised to the 3 power over 3 factorial and natural log of x square. So n is equal to 1, and we have 2 factorial, then plus p plus q raised to the 5th power over 5 factorial, and here we know n is equal to 2, so 4 factorial, then again minus p plus q raised to the 7th power, p plus q raised to the 7th power over 7 factorial times here we know 6 factorial plus so on, and here we know for second integral minus 1/2. Here we have only p minus q then here p minus q raised to the 3 power over 3 factorial, here 3 power times 2 factorial, then plus p minus q raised to the 5th power over 5 factorial times here 4 factorial minus here p minus q raised to the 7th power over 7 factorial times 6 factorial plus so on. Okay, then we can write now, we can simplify. So 1/2 here p plus q, here we know 2 factorial get cancelled, and here minus 1 over 3 p plus q raised to the 3 power plus here 4 factorial get cancelled, 1 over 5 p plus q raised to the 5th power minus 1 over 7 p plus q raised to the 7th power plus so on, and here minus 1/2 also here p minus q minus 1 over 3 p minus q raised to the 3 power plus 1 over 5 p minus q raised to the 5th power minus 1 over 7 p minus q raised to the 7th power plus so on. Okay, then we know the expansion of arctan of x, so we can write we know arctan of x is equal to x minus x raised to the 3 power over 3 plus x raised to the 5th power over 5 minus x raised to the 7th power over 7 plus so on. Okay, now here we know 1/2 here now p plus q minus 1 over 3 p plus q raised to the 3 power, this is like this series. Okay, so we know this is expansion of arctan of p plus q, so we can write here arctan of p plus q then minus 1/2, this is also expansion of arctan of p minus q. Well, now we can take 1/2 as a common factor, so 1/2 arctan of p plus q minus arctan of p minus q. Okay, we are done. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.